Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Act2 Fit Smart Scale Lite. On the front of the box we have an image of the scale itself. On the bottom we have a few of the salient features which include personalized data charts, artificial intelligence, recommendation engine, real-time data analysis and ecosystem integration. Up top we can see that you can plan your transformation and achieve it thanks to auto-logging your daily progress on the smartphone. We also have some warranty information over here, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the left hand side of the box, we have a slogan that says, "Change the way you measure your fitness." On the right hand side, we have a few more salient features which include iOS and Android support, multi-user support, wireless syncing, and dual frequency BIA. On top, we have a description that says, "Now gives you AI-powered health recommendations." There is nothing on the bottom, and on the back of the box we have a list of all the things that can be measured using these smart scales. You can obviously measure your weight, you can measure subcutaneous fat, skeletal muscle, bone mass, metabolic age, visceral fat, BMR, body fat, muscle mass, BMI, protein, and body water. Over here we have an illustration of how the scale can be used with your smartphone and with computers. Over here you can use that smart system to map your progress, share your progress with friends, and also measure your muscle size. In the middle we have a couple of QR codes that lead to the app's download pages for Android and iOS. On the left hand side on the bottom we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information, and it also has a number and email address to reach the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user manual. This will help you understand the various functions and features of the product. Next, we have also been provided with 4 AAA batteries that power this smart scale. Coming to the scale itself, we can see that it has a white and silver color theme going for it on the top, and it's predominantly white with some silver accents on the side. The Act2 Fit logo is on the bottom. The backside has a matte white finish, and we can see 4 anti-skid legs. In the middle we have a sticker that has some of the specifications like the size, which is 260 by 260 by 25 millimeters. The product's weight is 1.2 kilograms and it can take a weight of 180 kilograms. The 2 QR codes have also been repeated, and underneath the sticker we have the hatch for the batteries. So let's fit the batteries and fire up the scale. As you can see, the moment we put the batteries, it shows you what the weight is. Currently, it's obviously 0. If you apply pressure, it will show you how much weight is being applied. So this was the unboxing of the Act2 Fit Smart Scale Lite. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.